angka penggunaan kantong plastik meningkat drastis.
Peningkatan jumlah sampah masker mencapai 70% dibanding hari biasa.
Penggunaan masker di tengah pandemi wajib dilakukan.
Limbah medis merupakan limbah bahan berbahaya dan beracun atau B3 yang wajib dikelola baik masa normal, terlebih di masa darurat pandemi saat ini.
This is a great crisis era when COVID-19 hits our world, forcing everyone to wear masks wherever they go. Consequently, the use of masks has increased rapidly that it caused the waste of masks piling up everywhere. The main problem is that people are still not able to sort out the waste they dispose of. So, there is a huge accumulation of waste throughout the world, especially in our country, Indonesia. This is what brings us into the talk of world long-term project on the responsibility of production and its use, which is contained in SDG point 12. The high usage of masks without the awareness of how to process the waste caused the problem we are facing now.
Therefore, we conducted a survey regarding this issue, collecting data on the use of masks from people of all ages. We have collected 57 people from our city, Salatiga, to fill out the survey. It resulted in the average of 51% of the people wearing medical masks less than 5 pieces in a week. 67% of them throw the mask waste directly into the public trash.
The question is, why don't they throw it in the medical waste trash bin, even when the medical waste trash bin is provided around them? It is possible that many of them do not know the medical waste disposal location, because in the city of Salatiga there are not many medical waste trash bin around. They are actually aware of the risk, but just because of their absence of knowledge about medical waste in the city, they end up throwing their masks in public trash bins. Our plan is managing mass waste to protect our environment. Why is that? Because it can pollute the environment around us. Masks are made of the same material as plastic bag, and in the fact, mass waste takes approximately 450 years to decompose. How? By ensuring the responsible use of masks and ensuring that production of mass waste is practiced in a sustainable manner, to have a clean and free environment from mass waste.
In what ways can we do this program? We will provide socialization to the community for prevention of the sustainability of our ecosystem, but through local community leaders and local district officers, because many people still do not understand the impact of this mass waste. We can spread the encouragement through posters to educate the citizens about the importance of medical waste management in the community.
We will be an intermediary to help collect mass waste, which will later be processed. To discuss the best solution, we collaborate with the local environmental agency. We have met Mr. Yosua, the head department of the environmental service. He said that the problem could be solved by managing and processing the mass waste. The population target for mass waste management is the local community. We will work closely with the local environmental service in the area. It will start from giving drop box to the community. This drop box will be taken away when they are already full and collected by the third party to be burned using an incinerator. This device is emission and pollution free. Even the combustion residue can be used as fertilizer. The environmental service has managed 76 tons of waste in the city of Salatiga in the period of January until September 2021.
This is our goal. Looking at the situation, we will spread the information to the resident or community that all facilities related to the management of medical waste must be enhanced with permission in accordance with the applicable regulation during the pandemic era. We can also provide special trash bin for medical waste around the areas, so that people can dispose of their medical waste here. Most importantly, we can help to spread the word about drop boxes so that the citizen will be able to make the most use of it.
We believe that education, socialization, discussion with local residents, local community leaders regarding waste management is crucial during this pandemic. We all hope that on the second week of November, the drop boxes will already be placed in most public areas. And on the last week of November, the boxes that has been distributed to the public will be handed over to the party that is responsible for collecting and transporting mass waste for a better management.
This is our visible timeline in this program. Within 1 month after the distribution of the drop boxes, we will take the drop boxes back to be handed over to the Environmental Service Department as the agency that works together to process the waste. After we have succeeded in implementing the distribution of the drop boxes at the village level, in the next 3 months we will distribute them at the local district level, and if it's possible, we will implement it to the city level within 5 months. For the socialization, we will work together with the local government, and it will be done every 2 months.
This is our planet. This is our Earth. Let's save it together.